Part 1, doing a test using cheap and expensive products. Kiri I akan guna C Makeup Setting Spray edisi lama, packaging pun lama. Kanan I guna Skintific Lock the Look Setting Spray. So this is after 10 minutes. C Makeup side, korang boleh nampak dia matte finishing. However, dia tak hilangkan I punya highlighter, which is still pop up. On the Skintific side pun sama, I boleh nampak dia matte finishing. You guys boleh nampak the similarity between these two both. Sekarang kita tengok dia transfer ke tidak. C Makeup kosong je. Kita try kat dahi, dahi selalu peluh-peluh kan. I boleh nampak dia macam slightly lah, 0.1% dekat sini. Now let's try Skintific pula. Bahagian pipi dulu. Dia ada transfer sikit. Kita try kat dahi. Samar-samar. So kita dah cuba dua-dua. I boleh kata C Makeup quality not bad. Lebih kurang macam Skintific je. So now do your math.